In another update, the apex court today came down heavily on the state of Tamil Nadu for what it called an attempt to derail the trial against former State Minister V. Senthil Balaji in the high-profile Cash for Jobs scam. A bench comprising Justices Suryakant and Joy Malia Bagchi was hearing a plea challenging clubbing of multiple charge sheets in the scam. The petition was filed by Y. Balaji, who represents victims of the alleged scam. In a strong observation, the top court noted that the state had named nearly 2,000 to 2,500 people as accused, that is, individuals who had allegedly paid bribes to secure government jobs. The court asked whether this move was deliberately aimed at ensuring the trial never concludes during the minister's lifetime. The bench questioned the logic behind prosecuting those who may have paid small sums under pressure just to get their children employed, and hinted that such large-scale implications of bribe givers may be a tactic to stall the entire judicial process. The court has now asked the state of Tamil Nadu to submit detailed responses on critical points, including who were the brokers or middlemen, which officers allegedly acted on the recommendations of the ministers, who were the members of the job selection committee, etc. The plea before the court challenges a Madras High Court order dated 28th March, which had upheld the special court's decision to club multiple supplementary charge sheets into one main charge sheet in the corruption case. The petitioner, through senior advocate Gopal Shankara Narayan, argued that the state is actively colluding with its own minister to dilute the case and delay proceedings. On the other hand, senior advocates Abhishek Manu Singhvi and Amit Anand Tiwari, appearing for the state, pushed back strongly. They accused the petitioner of forum shopping, pointing out that a similar petition had already failed before the High Court and that the petitioner had not approached the High Court again before filing this plea in the Supreme Court. Well, the matter is now listed for further hearing on 30th July along with other connected cases.